Hello everyone. So, can you prep at IKEA? And if you can, what can you prep at IKEA? So let me tell you what I did. I did prep at IKEA and grabbed one of their catalogs because it's one of those few places anymore that give you a nice big catalog. I mean, who remembers the days of the JCPenney and Sears catalog? Oh my goodness, when that toy catalog came out before Christmas, my sister and brothers and I would just devour it. I would go through and circle everything I want, and we really didn't get a lot of what we wanted, but that's okay. So let me tell you what I prepped at IKEA. Right now, they had this Risso hammock on clearance for only $10. So that is a prep in that it's something that's usable every day. However, it's also usable if you are camping or forced to stay somewhere where you don't exactly have a soft pillow under your head. So you can just have this available. And then also, we have a couple of these actually already, and they're going to be great for, when people come to your area to stay, if they don't, if they're forced out of their area. I'm trying to avoid, if the shit hits the fan and you're where they come, you'll be happy you have some hammocks if it's summer and they can stay outside. I mean, if it's winter, you can hang them up in your house. So, anyway, it's an amazing prep because we'll use it regardless of whether SHTF happens or not. So another thing I got from IKEA is the bag. They have those bags that you can shop in, and that's the washer in the background, but they have those bags that you carry around to shop in, and you can put them in your buggy, and they're nice, and I think they sell them for only under $2 they are, so you can buy a blue one, and this is like how large they are. So I thought I would get one to see if they hold up to firewood, to bring firewood into the house. And they're just nice. I'll probably actually leave this one folded up in my car so they don't have to keep using the plastic shopping bags. I already have some reusable shopping bags that I like to reuse all the time, but this one's already folded and I'll just put it in there. So I got the Lingonberry Jam Organic, and that was $5. I only got one. I think it was 4 or 5, $3.99 or $4.99. I only got one because I don't believe we've ever tried the Lingonberry, so I'm going to go ahead and try that. And then here's what else. These nice little salts from Sam's. IKEA, wow. So they are flavored. There's a natural, a wild garlic, oak smoked, and a wild mushroom. And I usually only pay about $2 a pound for my salt, and I did not figure out how much weight is in here. Well, actually I did. So there is a total of 5.6 ounces in there, and I paid $4.99, so that's about $1 an ounce, which is a heck of a lot more than I normally pay. I liked that they were in the small containers. I have not figured out how to flavor my own salt and make it work correctly, especially that oak smoked flavor. I mean, what are they doing? But I got one of those for my son-in-law also. He's a cook, a chef. Well, I don't know if he's quite a gourmet chef, but he's a good cook. Must be something with those Italian men. Okay, so here's the best thing that I prepped at IKEA. I'm sorry, I keep getting sidetracked by what the dogs are doing, but this is the best prep I had at IKEA. I did a little research on some of the rechargeable batteries, and as it turns out, the IKEA batteries are one of the top batteries that you can purchase. Something about where they're made. There's only one factory where they're made, and they just put a different label on them. So I purchased 3 packs of double A's and 3 packs of triple A's I've yet to find a rechargeable 9-volt battery, and I need that. And then I also couldn't find C's and D's rechargeable. So what I think they're actually doing is only making those cases that you slip one of these into, and so that makes your C size. So this really wasn't so much a prep as just something I can recommend to you. It is the, oh, let's see what that's called, Intrescent salt or pepper grinder. I think it's bamboo, and it's not made in USA, which I always prefer, but it's made in Vietnam, and I bought it anyway. So, but I really like it. So if that's okay with you, where it's made, and you're looking for one and you were wondering about this, I purchased one only first to make sure it would work well with my pepper, and it works great. It's adjustable on the bottom. It's $14, I believe. So then, of course, this to go along with the batteries right here. These are called their vintage. I just wish they would stop with these names, or I would speak better Swedish. So this is a small USB battery charger. Let me take this out of the package for you. Did that work? So it's a USB rechargeables. So the reason I bought 10 of them, there are 2 reasons. I believe these are super handy to have around when you need chargeable, rechargeable batteries, or the ability to recharge the batteries while in your vehicle. They're also great for, of course, sitting by the computer, but these are on clearance. They're like $1 a piece. So I bought one just to tuck in each vehicle, and I'm also going to charge the batteries and keep them in there as well, because the flashlights that I have in most of the vehicles have flashlights in them that will use the AAA. And then my husband's flashlight that he uses for work has the AAA batteries in it, and then he'll be able to put one of these in his bag for work as well, just to charge his batteries, because he also carries the battery backup thing. So I believe what's going to be the last thing that I got from IKEA was a 100 pack of these tea lights, and the 100 pack was $3.99. And I have.
I actually got to see you.
What?
I actually got to see you.
Yes. So I'm sorry. Wait 1 second. So my grandson just walked in, and he knows that I have a YouTube channel. He loves YouTube. So let me finish this. So yeah, this was the tea lights that I prepped, and like I said, $3.99. Sorry, I know this video was all caterwampus, but that's pretty much it. That's what I That's what I prepped at IKEA. And my grandson, ever prepper, also, he just prepped himself. That's not a prep. That's a Lego Roblox toy. What do you do? Get this out of here. And yeah, he's got himself this little what is this? A sickle?
Uncle Mike!
Shh. Okay. Anyway, it's a glow-in-the-dark toy, and I'm probably going to redo this video. Maybe not. No, that's okay. All right, so that's it. And what? I'm going to redo the video. Never mind. But in case I don't, I'll watch it and see how bad it is. Let me know in the videos, in the comments, what did you prep today? And what do we say, Nick? Oh, what do we say at the end of a video? Huh? You forget. He forgets. You think we're supposed to say, like?
Like this video. Next story, you give thumbs up. No thumbs down.
Uh-oh. See, you said no thumbs down. You know what we're probably going to get.
Yeah.
What?
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down. Just because people don't listen. Okay, that's it. We're done. And
give us thumb down.
No, 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 no. You're saying gives us thumbs down. Then the people who would normally give us a thumbs up because you said give us a thumbs up will give us a thumbs down because they think that's what you want. And the people who were going to give a thumbs down anyway will give a thumbs down. They'll be like, okay, fine. Here's a thumbs down.
No, this is going to be one.
Life is an anomaly. Yeah, this is going to be a weird video. Do you think I should redo the whole thing? No?
It's probably going to be a good one.
Okay.
Wait, turn the video off.
Oh, okay. I'll turn it off now.